Welcome to Hotel Casa Sagnier, a five-star sanctuary in the vibrant heart of Barcelona. Nestled in the city center, it's just a short stroll to iconic landmarks like La Pedrera and Casa Batlló. Experience the grandeur of Barcelona's finest architecture right outside your elegant accommodation. Each space is designed for ultimate comfort, blending classic elegance with modern amenities. Immerse yourself in a stay rated 9.3 out of 10, where every detail caters to your desire for luxury. Indulge in a superb breakfast featuring continental, buffet, a la carte, and gluten-free options. Savor Catalan, Mediterranean, and Spanish cuisine at the exquisite on-site restaurant for any meal. Unwind at the fitness center, relax in the sauna, or soak up the sun on the beautiful terrace. Enjoy seamless service with a 24-hour front desk, concierge, and convenient private check-in. Your unforgettable Barcelona escape, promising elegance and comfort, begins at Hotel Casa Sagnier.